Hello network hustlers. In today's episode we will learn how to config management IP on PanOS 10.0. The default login and password is admin. After first login to PanOS 10.0 you need to change default password. To show management address from CLI use command show system info. As you can see the IP address is unknown because IP assignment is set as DHCP. To set management IP enter configuration mode. First you need to change IP type to static. To do that use command set device config system type static. Next set management interface IP with command that you see on the screen. In one line you configure IP address, network mask and default gateway. After that commit your changes. When commit ends you should be able to log in with IP that you set. As you can see everything is working as we expected. Thanks for watching and remember to subscribe.